In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use those three dots at the top right corner to select settings in the pop-up and manage all of those under alarms however you want to. When you're ready, go back and to create new alarm, use this plus icon at the bottom in the middle. Then set up an hour at the top. When you finished, click on repeat and pick days of the week. Save them by hitting OK. Then tap on alarm sound and either choose add new at the top to pick any song from your smartphone. Log in to Spotify to use music from it, or select one of those sounds by tapping on the best one for you. Go back again and click on this switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. Then hit label to name it and OK to save its name. Lastly, hit remind me later and pick one of those options. Now to save your alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and tap on one of those options in the pop-up. To make some changes to it, click on it, change wherever you want to, and click on the same check mark. To get rid of it, just hold it and click on delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!